Hey, what's up guys? This is Jacques. Today I'm going to be taking a trip to Okayama Prefecture. I've actually never been there before, and I just spontaneously decided to visit it because I have a 3-day weekend. I'm going to head over there from Kobe. The weather is quite terrible today though. こんな感じです。So I arrived in Okayama a little bit ago and had some 600 grams of udon for my lunch. The weather's still really bad right now, so I think I'm going to go to the Aeon Mall nearby, supposedly really huge, and then check into my hotel in about an hour and change. All right. So I was just walking around the Aeon Mall. It's actually really huge. Anyway, I'm gonna walk to my hotel, be able to check in now. The weather is still really bad. Maybe it's a minor thing, but I noticed there's a lot of trees on the streets here, which is kind of nice. Pretty big trees, so they have really huge leaves too. So I looked at the forecast, and apparently tomorrow morning it's supposed to clear up. I think tomorrow will be like my outdoor sightseeing day. The two main attractions, it seems like, in Okayama City are Korakuen, which is like a really famous garden, Japanese garden, and Okayama Castle. So I'm gonna try to hit up both of those tomorrow. But for now, yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to stay indoors because this rain is just not letting up. Check out this huge building here. That's pretty massive. It says Sanyo Shimbun. So this is a newspaper company, I guess. Wow, impressive. See, the leaves are starting to change colors here. It's pretty nice. I like it. Got some like burgundy tones. Got some yellow over here. Alright, so this is where I'll be staying tonight. Alright, so I made it to my hotel room. It's pretty compact, but it's got what I need here. Yeah, also on the 8th floor. So I got a bit of a view out here. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna take a little bit of a breather and then figure out what I'm gonna do for tonight. Maybe plan out tomorrow's itinerary as well. Maybe walk around this area. I'm very close to the downtown, basically in the downtown, and there's a lot of like shops and stuff. Yeah, the room here smells a little bit like smoke. I think it's a business hotel, so sometimes there are like smoking rooms before, but it's not so strong, so I don't mind that much. All right, I'm going to get something done now.